Hey everyone, welcome to the AMX Superstore's Product Insight. I'm Riana, Crehan, and today I'm joined by a very special guest, motocross and supercross superstar Brett Metcalf and Penrite Oils brand ambassador. Speaking about Penrite Oils, I mean, why do we love that as a brand? It's such a recognisable brand for so many people. It
is, especially here in Australia. Now known worldwide as well for their great oils, but Penrite, a better class of oil, that's what they're known for. Here today we have a lot of maintenance products which we're going to talk about and how I use them on the Penrite Go 24 racing.
Tell me why maintenance is so important on bikes.
Well, it's kind of like you want to take care of your body, and if you have a bike, you got to take care of the bike too. You can't just keep putting petrol and riding it. You got to take care of it, maintenance, right? So my biggest thing here on the maintenance is the air filter. This product here specifically, we had some involvement with the development. The old formula we found was a little bit too thick. We couldn't work it through the filter enough. And that's what's brilliant about Penrite. Made in Dandenong, Australian owned. They work directly with us as a race team. And the formula that we ended up coming up with is here on the showroom floor, straight direct to the consumer.
Yeah, perfect. And what about some of the other products we have on display here today? What do you use for the race team?
So these race packs are a fantastic item. I promote them a lot. I tell anyone that gets involved in the sport, start off with this. So there's a road and an off-road version, both coming with chain oil, chain cleaner and a brush. So that's just kind of the beginning of your maintenance pack. Okay,
let's move on to what we need for brake maintenance. What do you guys choose?
So myself and the race team, we use the .4. But of course, refer to your owner's manual. Every manufacturer is a little bit different. But the brake fluid we change out probably every second national. It's nice to keep the brake fluid fresh and clean.
Yeah, and in terms of coolant, what are you guys looking at?
Well, in extreme temperatures, you want to run the best coolant you can get. So we were using this one here, which is the premix coolant. Worked really well in high temperatures. We had no overheating issues, so that was fantastic. But again, Penrite making another good product and something that we trusted all year.
Is there anything else you'd like to share with us about why you're so proud to represent Penrite?
Probably the biggest thing is just the Australian-owned fact. You know, it's a family-operated and owned business. So I love that. But the quality of the product is kind of the seller. You know, it stands for itself. I mean, they've got a product for everything. You know, there's 170 individual products that Penrite make for your motorcycle range. You know, from your engine oils to your maintenance to your bike cleaning and care of the bike. You know, everything. Fork oil, there's just everything. So make sure you check it out. Come in here, the guys will get you sorted out. Yeah. And it's a product that my race team, the Penrite Go 24 race team, trusts, and myself.
Thank you so much, Brett. If you'd like any more information on the Penrite Oils maintenance range, head to your nearest AMX Superstore, or of course, all the information is there for you on the website.